In this video, I will show you how to create landing page in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Storefront. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Web Pages. This will take you to a list of all your existing pages. Next, click Create a Web Page. You'll be asked to choose a page type. Select the type that fits your goal. Most landing pages use a standard content page, so you can customize it fully later in Page Builder. Now fill in your web page details. Start with your page name, then set your page URL, and enter your page content. This can be simple placeholder text for now if you plan to design the page using Page Builder after saving. Scroll down to adjust navigation menu options. You can choose whether this page appears in your storefront navigation or stays hidden if you want it to function strictly as a landing page for ads or promotions. Under Advanced Options, you can set SEO details, upload a custom template file, or control page visibility. If you want this page to serve as your home page, tick Display as Home Page. You can also enable Restrict to Customers Only if the content should only be accessible to logged-in users. Once everything is set, click Save and Exit. You will be brought back to the Web Pages dashboard, where your newly created landing page will now appear in the list. From here, you can click Edit to open it in Page Builder and design it with blocks, banners, images, and layout sections. And that's how to create landing page in BigCommerce.